At Leva Medical, we prioritize making sure that you're comfortable. My name is Dr. John Paul Leva. I'm a cosmetic surgeon. We specialize in surgical and non-surgical procedures.
We really try very hard to produce the results that people want.
We're still a mom and pop shop. We have been here for a long time. My mom started the practice over 40 years ago.
Working hand in hand with Dr. Jackie, really priceless because she's given me the tools and the knowledge to fight Mother Nature.
Our willingness to go into clinical excellence and receive the best outcomes for our patients.
Most larger procedures are now moving towards minimally invasive procedures. We find ways to help every patient. We offer financing.
My experience here in Leva Medical is perfect. It's a wonderful experience for me.
You want to look the best that you can look at the age that you are.
The most important thing to us is essentially being safe and making sure that every patient is happy.